Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to make a very easy way on how to crochet these stars. So grab your yarn and hook and let's start. I'm gonna be using 2.50mm hook size and with my yellow yarn. But of course, you can use any color you want. And a hook size as long as it's recommended by the yarn that you are using. So start with a magic ring, make chain 2, then 10 half double crochet in the magic ring. Once you have 10 half double crochet in the magic ring, tighten it and make a slip stitch, then chain 1 to start row 1. Or you don't need to chain 1, just make 1 single crochet. Either way, there's no big difference when making chain 1 or single crochet. Since this is gonna be our repeat pattern and this is going to be our last row, make half double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, then half double crochet in the next stitch, then single crochet in the next. So let's do it one more time. Half double crochet, then double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, then half double crochet in the same stitch, then single crochet in the next. And that's gonna be our repeat pattern. Do it 4 more times. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and feel free to comment and share. I am trying to upload a new tutorial every Monday at 11:05 in the morning, local time. If you want to support me, you can send me a donation through my PayPal link in the description box below. Or you can show your support by sending a super chat while my video is streaming, or by sending a super thanks. And that's pretty much it. Now fasten off, wave all ends. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a nice day and God bless us all. Bye!